Oh, and strange over there where the tree.
I'll give the choo-choo my old
Oh, what the choo-choo. Oh,
It's bad enough being hit when you're standing still.
why are you talking?
Get hit with something. Just remember, Foxy, you wouldn't throw away.
Let's take a hike.
I said push.
I see.
Still doesn't seem dangerous.
Let me in. Number 2.
Uti Cassis. I'm gonna over help.
Let's say my car up and dies on a railroad track and it won't move. What then?
There's one thing to do. Get out fast. Don't try to take anything with you. Once you're ready, run away from the track.
Wow, glad I was out of the way. Pretty old pal, you've really been a lifesaver today.
I was saying,
Trains and tracks and railroad crossed boxcar.
eu, a busca. Ah, vou buscar assim, Oh my god. Oh, cool. Ah!
Watch for the railroad signals and crossing. If a train is coming, stop.
And finally, if your car stalls on the track, get out fast.
Take your Foxy. It's about time for me to get back to my nest.
Well, this again for everybody.
See you tomorrow, old friend.
Ciao, tipo assim.